Hi, in this video training, I will show you how to install Python on a Windows machine. So open your browser and go to python.org. Go to download and select Windows. Okay, what you can do is install the download Windows installer 64-bit. This is the latest release of Python, that is Python 3.9.1, released on December 2020. So let's download this. Click here and you see the download has started. It's 26.9 megabytes and it's downloading. So let's wait for this download to finish. Okay, it has finished downloading the Python installer. Let's click on it and it has executed the installer. So just click install now and give the permission to Windows. Say yes. Okay, you can see we have successfully installed Python on Windows platform. So close this window and see if you have Python. Okay, let's go to the command line. Okay, let's type in Python. Okay, let's see if we have successfully installed the Python. Go to all apps and scroll down, go to P, and you see we have Python 3.9 here. Click here and click Python 3.9 here. You see we have the Python console. So let's see, print hello Python, and you see we have Python installed successfully. Let's create a simple program. B is equal to 10, C is equal to A plus B, print C. See, we have got 14 on the console. So we have installed Python successfully on Windows. Okay, this is also a shell, and here you can also create new Python file. Let's see, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B, and print C. Save this file, and let's see, save it on the desktop. Say basic.py, save this file. Okay, exit and double click this file. Right click, open with, share it, send to. Okay, you can see edit with IDLE 3.9. Run module. See, we have got 25 on the console output. So that's how you can use Python on Windows. You can also install some IDE for Windows like PyCharm or any other tool, whichever you like. You can use Sublime or Visual Code as well. So that's it for this video training. See you next time.